Take your hand down, take your hand down, do it. You see, I have it.
What Tobias just did is literally one of the most creative things I have seen in a long time.
Blew my mind. This is amazing. You're gonna want to do this. Trust me.
Many years ago, I saw an illusion. It was only light and shadows. It was the most magical thing I've ever seen. I felt like a kid again. Right? You have a card, and no, not yet. So the thing is, when you have, stay where you are. That's just for you. Nice meeting you.
It's like Disney World in real life. This is insane. I don't know what I just saw. It's crazy.
Oh, and take your shadow on the wall. Take your hand down. I have one of them. Take your hand down. Take your hand down. I have your shadow. What the f? What is that? Is it a phone? It's funny, right? If I hold it in the shadow, actually it looks
like a wine cup!
That was the craziest thing that I've seen. I don't even know what happened, but it was sick, and I want to do it too.
I absolutely love it because it's so visual, it's so unique.
I have really power, like.
It's really great.
I really have to grab my hand. Look.
Oh!
Shit.
Don't you do that, bro!